70My Philippines is back with their upcoming latest as well as their flagship dashcam, the 70My Omni. What's amazing about the 70My Omni is this dashcam right here has a swiveling motor. So the lens can actually swivel 360 degrees, thereby giving you an omnidirectional view of the road as well as your cabin. And this dashcam right here even comes with a voice-operated AI-assisted tracking system, which is just purely amazing, and we'll show you that later. Today, we will be installing it on this LC200 Toyota Land Cruiser right here, because while this car is comfortable, powerful, and just oh so reliable, it lacks a built-in dashcam. Oh, and by the way, the 70My Omni can even come with an optional 4G hardwire kit. You just stick a SIM card into it and you can view your car from anywhere. You can track it from anywhere. It is pretty amazing. Anyway, let's proceed with the installation right now. Kuya Yelbert right here will be installing the 70My Omni, and it's just right here. So installing the dashcam is actually relatively straightforward. You simply put this electrostatic backing plate. There's a mount for the dashcam itself. Then kind of just screw on the dashcam. There's a mount built into it. But just in case you're afraid of doing things by yourself, 70My Philippines also offers installations within Metro Manila. And that is particularly beneficial in case you have the hardwire kit, which could get a little bit complicated. So this is what I meant by that. By installing the hardwire kit, you do have to remove a couple of panels. So if you're not careful, you can break things off, break a couple of clips. So 70My right here will professionally install it. That way you make sure you don't break a single thing. So this is the 70My Omni dashcam right here. And you can see that there's a screen, there's a mic, there's a couple of buttons. And this lower portion of it, this is what is motorized and rotates as well. So you do not want to turn that physically because you might damage the motor. Over here at the top, this is actually what mounts your windshield. Your windshield will have another mount right there, then you kind of just screw it on into place. Anyway, let's power this up by just connecting it to a power bank first. There we go. So it boots up like that. The 70My even rotates first. It does some sort of a sweep right here. This is your really cute AI helper. Okay, so the cool functions about this dashcam right here is since it can rotate, you can actually give it some voice commands. So we can start off with, for example, shoot left. It's going to record a 10-second recording of it pointing to the left side. This is particularly effective if you get flagged down by a cop. It only does 10 seconds of it, but just in case you wanted to shoot longer in that direction, you can control it via the app on your phone. You can also tell it to say, shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
So this is the shoot vlog function right here. It's going to do a sweep and then it lets you talk for like a couple of seconds. So it also does shoot right and even shoot inside if you are a Grab or TNV as a ride-sharing driver. So why is the 70My Omni a great dashcam? It is because this is the world's first 360-degree view dashcam. Now do take note that although it is a 360-degree view, the swivel itself can only actually do 340 degrees. But since the camera itself has a field of view of 140 degrees, you pretty much have no blind spot and there's also very minimal distortion. So this is us just testing out the microphone inside the 70My Omni. And I'm about a third of a meter away from the microphone seated here by the driver's seat. The 70My Omni can even track suspicious activity as well as a collision. So provided that you do have that 4G hardwire kit installed, it's going to send a notification to your phone telling you of the incident or of the suspicious activity. And remember how it can swivel like 360 degrees? It uses some sort of AI-based human detection algorithm as well as a collision detection algorithm to automatically swivel and track the suspicious person or the car. So no matter where they are, behind you, on the left side or on the right side, the dashcam can easily track it for you. So far, this is the only dashcam that I've seen with this feature, and I'm pretty amazed with this one. It also has amazing night performance. Take note that I have pretty dark tint on it. It has an aperture of 1.5, f1.5, which really does make it pretty good, especially at nighttime. The 70My Omni also comes with advanced driver assistance system. So this is particularly useful if you didn't get the most top trim version of your car or if you have a slightly older vehicle. It's going to going to tell you if you are leaving your lane departure warning. It'll also tell you if the car ahead of you has moved, especially at a stoplight. And it also comes with pedestrian detection and even cyclist detection. It is pretty cool. But possibly one of the most cool things that I've seen with the 17mi Omni is its high-tech effects overlay. I mean, this looks as if you are playing a video game on your phone or on your computer. You can see some sort of like a map right here, tells you the time, and it even presents you the speed of the vehicle and G-force too. It looks pretty cool and very high-tech indeed. So are you excited to have your very own 360-degree rotating dashcam? Well then hold your horses, because they are releasing this dashcam right here, the 17mi Omni, on March 31st, 2023. Stay tuned to this video. I will be posting the Lazada links, the Shopee links, and maybe even a Viber store links down below in the description, as well as the pinned comments as they come out.